India is a land of magnificent diversity in language, in religion, in culture, in customs. We speak over 1,000 languages and dialects, yet we are one nation. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Jains all call India their home and their motherland. This thousandty is not new. India has been a civilization that embraces differences. Our ancient wisdom taught us Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family. Unity does not mean uniformity. We do not want everyone to be the same. We celebrate our differences. A Bengali can be proud of being Bengali and yet be a proud Indian. These identities do not conflict. Our constitution guarantees every citizen the right to practice their religion, follow their custom. Despite our differences, common threads bind us. Our love for this land, our shared history, our hopes for the future. We celebrate each other's festivals. Holi, Eid, Christmas, Baisakhi, these belong to all Indians. Our diversity is not our weakness, it is our greatest strength. There have been those who tried to divide us, foreign rulers who use divide and rule as their policy. But we have overcome these attempts. We have chosen unity over division, cooperation over conflict. Building unity among such diversity is not easy. It requires patience, understanding, and constant effort. We must teach our children about all parts of India, all religions, not reach it to fear differences. We are economically interdependent. The cotton of Gujarat clothes the people of Bengal. The rice of Punjab feeds the people of Rajasthan. Our cultures enrich each other. Bengali literature enriches Tamil readers. Hindustani music delights Gujarati listeners. We must guard against forces that seek to divide us on the basis of religion or caste or region. We must hand over to our children a united India, not a divided one. Unity is not just a political necessity. It is our sacred duty, our dharma, to preserve and strengthen this unity.
If you found this video helpful, follow Litmanthan for more videos on English language and literature. Thank you for watching.